Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will talk about big investment business ideas. First of all, I will talk about textile unit. The textile industry is currently contributing 2% to India's GDP and 15% to the export earnings of the country. Opening a textile unit firm means to supply different types of fabrics for the fashion and apparel industry. The shop should be in an area where there is demand, and the factory should be in an area that is well connected. Now I will talk about rice mill. Rice mill involves the post production of rice. The equipment and machinery will help remove the husk from the rice to make it edible. India is still the largest exporter of rice in the world. Therefore, this is a profitable business. Now I will talk about beer and wine making. In the last few years, the wine industry was at high growth. $30 billion industry for both domestic and international wines. Therefore, starting your own beer and wine company is a diverse opportunity for business startups. Now, I will talk about manufacturing fabrication plant. You know one thing, metal fabrication is the creation of metal structures by cutting, bending, welding, and assembling processes. It is a value added process involving the creation of machines, parts, and structures from various raw materials. You need skilled manpower and a lot of machinery for this business. Now I will talk about crane and lifting business. Crane and lifting service deliver the right lifting equipment and service to match the customer needs. You need specialized